Oh, it's the man right here. You can see him fighting here soon, Tennessee.
El hombre del año.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Look at those moves. Look at those moves. Hell yeah, bro. Híjole.
Híjole.
Hey everybody, we're back. This is the garage. Let's head on in. Okay, so I'm gonna start the car really quick and give it a shot, see if that relay works. That is a no-go, Commander. That is a no-go. Okay, so we are back. Got the alternator fresh from AutoZone. You know, glad to have some warranty. I actually bought a brand new alternator when I first bought this car a couple years ago, and it was still under warranty, so that was awesome. So I just got it shipped in. Came in today, 2 days later, and here we are now. So let's get to working it. Okay, so basically I was about to put this on, but we actually need to put the alternator in here first. So let's do that. Yeah. Luckily I have a friend named Demi, and she was actually able to remind me because I had totally forgotten.
You remind me of the guy off of Boondocks who fought the old man in like the first episode. Granddad.
Granddad.
He fought the other old man, but he was blind and shit.
Oh, the old man. Oh, dude,
Yeah.
what was his name? Mr. Wigglesworth
I don't
or
know.
some shit?
It was something crazy.
Wigglesworth or some shit? I don't know.
Uh-uh.
Oh, damn, you got me laughing too hard. No, I just dropped the bolt.
You gotta find it.
Oh, no. I hope it fell down. Well, screw that bolt. It vanished. So I'm just going to use this plain Jane bolt that I found in my scraps, and it works perfectly with the one that I need. So, voila. I'm just going to use this. I have a 2-washer set system. So let's mount this alternator. Yeah, things like that make a job last so much longer than it needs to be. Let's get this done. All right. Okay. But before I can do that, I need a welder. All right. Well, 2-ton jack. That's about as much as this car weighs, believe it or not. All right, battery's good. I think we are ready for a first startup, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's time. All right, so everything's done. It's time for the first startup. So I'm gonna close this hood and yeah, we're gonna take her for a quick test drive. Well, I totally forgot. Right before I parked it and the alternator went out, I recently installed a short shifter, and oh my goodness, it feels amazing. I totally forgot what it was like. Now it's like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and I'm ready to go. All right, let's check this oil. Oil, it's not terrible. I changed the oil not too long after, well, not too long before I parked it, so oil's relatively new. It's just been sitting for a little bit. I might change the oil again, just because I don't like it when oil sits in a car, collects a little bit of moisture, and really mess up the engine. And you really just don't want to have, you know, engines don't like to sit over time, so it is what it is. As you can hear, this one has now developed a ticking noise, so I think there's like a lifter in there that possibly could be the issue. 3000 GT VR4s, it's known that lifters, these lifters, because it's a 1030 oil, it's like a thicker oil, sometimes it clogs the lifter, so you gotta like do the Italian tune-up, run it a little harder. I'm gonna go for a quick test drive. Before that though, I gotta get my insurance on it, so I'm about to call my insurance company. Bit tight, man.
Hey, you gotta hold the other side too. Mount up your GoPro.
Oh my goodness. Man, you see the suspension ride on this? Woo! God dang. This is bright. Then you got a little VR-4 over there. Oh man. Hey, oh my goodness gracious. These are bright.
Degrees and he becomes a woman.
Man, we got all the lights just flashing right now. Late nights. Oh my god. You see the VR-4. This is
How big that fucking tire is.
stand by it real quick, Stuart. Stuart, how tall are you?
I'm 5'10", bro.
Bro, you are
So I'm big ass.
like closer to 6 foot, dude. Like
Yeah, I probably.
that tire is close to over half your size, man. Woo, got the interior LEDs, full suspension, the Triker off-road design. Man, this thing is a beast. How is that? What is that? 2 feet of clearance right there, dude.
This right here, this is a big truck.
Dude, this
But then this
tire.
around here makes this truck look small.
Dude, this is a big truck.
This is a pretty big truck.
And this truck makes it look small as heck, man. They got 2 spare tires ready to go. Got the ladies in the back. Decepticon on them. Decepticon police right here. Follow the adventure. What is that? I need one of those. I need one of those.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Zombie outbreak response team. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, dude, it has the thing on the thing too. This is zombie outbreak response team. Oh my god, I almost got ran over. Woo! That's a true monster truck right there. Well, I think that'll wrap the night. Gotta get a couple more photos, go downtown, try and get some more photos under the bridge. Should be good.